Rebuilding in Malibu? Now that you've gathered your property documents and are ready to move forward, the next step is using the development portal to make the process easier. The development portal is designed to help you manage your rebuild more smoothly. It gives residents, contractors, and developers an easy way to work with the planning and building and safety teams. With the development portal, you can submit your project and monitor the status, apply for applications, permits, and inspections. You can upload and manage your documents and even access rapid permits for tasks like water heater replacements, gas shutoff valves. Plus, with personalized dashboards, you can keep tabs on multiple projects.
It's all about giving you real-time updates, faster communication, and a clear view of your progress, so you spend less time wandering and more time rebuilding. Getting started is simple. Just go to the MalibuRebuilds.org website or the city's homepage. Click the development portal link in the Web Tools section or find it under Rebuilding. In-person support, phone calls, and emails are always welcome at City Hall or the Rebuild Center during regular hours. Built by your staff, tested, refined, and ready for you. Visit MalibuRebuilds.org today and take the next step in your rebuilding journey.